What this guy did to his floor is seriously awesome. This is unbelievable. Reddit user Jake0111 took his creativity and saved his pennies in order to create something truly unique, fun, and one of a kind. His wife works in a tile store and is completely sick of staring at the same tile samples each day, so Jake0111 decided to get creative and surprise his wife with a special home renovation. Take a look at what he did. With a budget of $200, he went straight to the bank and picked up 20,000 copper pennies. He immediately got to work gluing them to the floor one by one. Each row was roughly 100 pennies. He's making a penny floor. An extra hand from his daughter was very much appreciated, even if she quit after about 5 pennies. This got quite monotonous very quickly, I'm sure. Coming along nicely. Take a look at the border he's incorporating with the newer shiny pennies on his penny floor. This is turning out to be an awesome floor. After it was finished, he covered it in a self-leveling epoxy to protect the finish. I would love this in a room in my home. And there you have the final project, an entire floor covered in pennies. He spent $200 and gave his wife something that she truly loves, something different than your traditional tile job. Something unique that will be the topic of conversation for anyone who sees it for the first time. This floor must have cost him a pretty penny. Using anything else to make a floor would be absolute nonsense. Now that floor looks like it's made of money. Okay, enough with the puns, but this floor is awesome, and I would love to have a penny floor in my house.